been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara and I post cleaning videos here on my channel. So if you enjoy cleaning, organization and decluttering, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. In today's video, I'm cleaning my kitchen because as you can see, it's quite messy. I have a pile of dishes to wash, my microwave needs a good wipe down, as well as the cabinet doors which are full of fingerprints. I'm starting with picking up all the trash and putting away a few clean dishes that were drying. Now I'm going to take care of the dining table, which is full of random stuff, so I'm putting everything in its place. We did some grocery shopping the day before and I didn't put away everything. I just took care of the things that needed to go in the fridge or freezer, so that's why it's all here on the table. And after that I will wipe it down with my splendid kitchen cleaner and wet cleaning cloth.
The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never want to look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Chance on faith. I never want to look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
Now I'm moving to this dusty microwave. I will wipe it all down with my all-purpose cleaner. I clean the inside quite often, but I always forget to wipe it down on the outside, so it gets a little dusty.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious.
Now I'm finally moving to the dishes. I usually do the dishes first and then do everything else in the kitchen because I feel like that when all the dishes are washed, I'm halfway done already. But that dining table was driving me crazy since yesterday, so I had to take care of it first.
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this
If you are enjoying this video, please leave a like. It helps me a lot here on YouTube and it lets me know which videos you enjoy more. Also tell me in the comments if you clean your kitchen in the evenings or you rather do it in the morning next day. I try to do it in the evenings, but I don't always get to it, especially if it's on a Sunday, so I do it the next morning. Moving to the stovetop, and I will use my R scrub cleaner for it because it was quite dirty. This one is a little bit more abrasive than the other stovetop cleaners, but it still doesn't scratches the glass, and I use it when my stovetop is really dirty and I know I will have to scrub it more, so it makes that job a little easier. And after I'm done with that, I will wash the remaining dishes that I left soaking before.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
Next on my to-do list is cleaning all the cabinet doors because they were full of fingerprints and other stuff. And usually I use wet cleaning cloth and I dry everything with a kitchen towel at the end. But today I'm wiping it down with dry cloth and my all-purpose cleaner, and it worked amazing, and I was also done a lot quicker.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
And the last thing I will do is dry and put away these two pans that were left drying on the stovetop, and I will also scrub the sink at the end. so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and got some motivation out of it. If you did, please subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!